Good morning and welcome back, members. Today we are parked in a little parking lot here in a hotel. We're right at the border between Costa Rica and Panama, and I thought I'd take you with for the experience because borders are always an experience. But first things first, this is what we woke up to this morning. Yay! No! Why? Can't see anything stuck in it. Okay, a little bit of bad news. Upon further inspection, the tire's good. It's the wheel that's leaking. So, since there's not a whole lot we can do about that right now, we decided to go for breakfast. And when we were at breakfast, there was a fellow and he had a Volvo shirt on. So we thought, okay, let's ask him if he knows anything. And he said he'd be here in 10 minutes. So we'll see what we can do.
If the day warms up, the leak is not as bad. So I wonder if it's temperature causing it to leak less because the metal's expanding, and closing the gap.
Yeah, and it is hot. Oh, hot dog. Yeah. All right, let's get a pen and mark this since it seems to be going away. All right, the guy came and said follow him, so that's what we're doing. Gonna go try to get this fixed.
He knows a guy who knows a guy who has a welder.
Yeah, that's what we need. Okay, first shop didn't work out, so we're heading to another one.
Some other crack or depression in there, some other funny business.
Here's the nice pose, Jay. This is where we're getting it fixed. Checking to see if there's any other ones here. It's looking like just the one culprit right now. Well, there's your problem. Hot?
¿País?
De Canadá y vamos a Panamá hoy. Sí, ojalá que sí.
Va para Panamá.
Yo sé.
Cuando vean esos lugares, dice. Yo le pude. ¿Qué ven?
Stand there, Jason. You got it? Yeah. Okay.
Inside of the rim now. Finally got it off. And you can kind of see a hairline crack along here too. like it never even happened. Got it all ground down, buffed it out with a flap disc. That's perfect.
Final touches. Come on.
No lo prendo.
Todo bien.
Uh-huh. Yeah. All right. Yay.
Alrighty, so muchas gracias to mi numero uno. Encantado, amigo. We got the rim all fixed up.
Gracias.
He drilled the ends, ground a slot right through the whole crack, welded it from both sides, flap disc it smooth, and we painted it up. And look how good it looks.
It looks so good. So good.
Solo 20,000.
Swimmingly, and we're heading towards the border right now. Typically we need about 6 to 7 hours to cross one of the Central American borders, and we only have about 6 or 7 hours left of daylight, so here we go. We know we're getting close to the border when there's an exceptionally long line of trucks. Time for you to go to the AC. Stamped out. We are going to Panama. Let's go. Going to Panama. All right, we need to figure out where to park. You need to park here somewhere, Jay. Like maybe here.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay, we're at midday. We came to the truck to sit in the AC a little bit, fill out our health forms, get all of our vaccination stuff figured out, and now go back, get a stamp from the medical, immigration, import the dog, import the vehicle, and then we're done in a couple hours. All right, we have to buy some vehicle insurance in order to get an import for the country, so that's what we're doing. One final check, and then we are in Panama.